guys! So, in today's video, gagawa ko ng Valentine's makeup look. Yes, kasi malapit na magpa-Valentine's. So, yun, without further ado, let's get on to the video.
Baby, you're my glue. Try to escape because I'm stuck on you. Never wanna trade if it's something new. I'm so high. I don't know where we're going, but I like what you're showing. I'm so high. I can't see what we're doing, but I love your body moving. Baby, you're my feel alright, feet on the ground, but I just wanna fly. Sing it out loud until I end inside. Can't get away, cause baby, you're my glue. Try to escape because I'm stuck on you. Never wanna trade if it's something new. I'm so high.
This is the final look, guys. And kung napapansin nyo, yung piloka is na dito sa inner corner. Palpak na naman, but sorry, I'm not kasi that good na paglalagay ng piloka sa mata. So, yun na nga, guys. So, tatanggalin ko na lang siya. Nanggal ko na lang kasi nga, ayun, palpak. So, this is the final look, guys. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel over here or here so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video, and click the notification bell. So, guys, and then don't forget to comment down below. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Bye-bye!